going on, guys? Peter Zane coming at you via the Benzinga and MarketFi weekly options outlook. Hopefully you guys were able to catch last week's weekly options outlook. Overall, what we talked about was the fact that the SPY was going to chop around all over the place, ultimately to screw everybody trying to go long and short those breakouts and breakdowns, okay? And hopefully everybody caught it, because we had some major moves last week that many traders were not thinking that were going to occur. But again, if you guys paid attention, it was actually very clear the state of the markets. One big thing to take advantage of is the move from Friday. So pretty much Priceline, Google, Amazon, they all made giant moves to the upside. There's a lot of money here, and the reason why nobody was able to catch this move is honestly because there's a lot of short covering in this area, and also dip buying just seemed a little bit too far to go. We actually went to some relatively good lows of 160.25, and then just started bursting away to 164.41, and ultimately gapping up today. One thing I want you guys to watch out for, we're going to keep this short and sweet, is that we want to make sure that we're anticipating the fact that this could be the two things. Okay, I would say that this could end up being the last big push before we actually started getting some real downward movement. When the levels that we're looking at on the SPY are pretty much a retest of the lows of the 160.25 area and a little bit lower. If not, what you should expect is a little bit of chop, and ultimately what you need to have happen is have these Goldman Sachs, JP Morgans, and Bank of America's catch up and make a big move higher. Okay, because that's the only way that you're really going to get any support in the SPYs. Overall volatility has increased, and but the thing I would really urge you guys to do is to make sure that you play something that's relatively in the money, because overall follow through is not there. Alright, so again, guys, watch out for your possible blow off tops in your Amazons, Googles, Pricelines, and if they actually do blow off the top, it's going to catch a lot of people trying to go long and way too late. And then what's going to happen is that we're going to fade lower and probably break 160. If we don't do that, look for consolidation between 162 and 164, and ultimately to move higher on the SPY. And again, you have to have support via your banks. Again, guys, this is your options outlook video via Benzinga and MarketFi. This is Peter Zane, over and out.